Hello students, you are welcome. This is the continuation of our lessons on circuit theorem. So the previous video we look at theorem 1 and then we look at one example. So in this video we'll just look at these examples. We are still on theorem 1. We are still on theorem 1. So according to the question, says that angle. So as we learned, this is mean angle POR. So what is angle POR? Angle P O this is the center. R, angle POR is what? 88 degrees. We find angle PQR, angle PQR. So this angle is given as 88. We are supposed to find this angle. So this is the center as we learned, and you know this is the diameter. Fine. So we are from theorem 1. What do you remember from theorem 1? Theorem 1 we learned that angles subtended or formed by an arc at the center of the circle is always equal to 2 times the angle formed by the same arc on the circumference. Have you seen? So it means that angle POR is equal to, so angle POR, this is angle POR, so this will equal to twice 2 times this angle PQR is equal to 2 times 2 times angle PQR. Angle POR is equal to 2 times angle what? PQR. So we have to find angle PQR. So what does it, or how do we get? So divide 2 by 2. So this will mean that angle what? Angle PQR is equal to angle what? Angle POR divided by what? Divided by 2, which is what? But angle POR is equal to 88. So 88 over what? You will get 88 over 2, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 44. Or 44 degrees. Which means that according to the theorem, the angle formed by the arc or subtended by the arc at the center of the circle is equal to 2 times the angle formed by the same arc on the circumference. So this is 44. If you're going to get this, you want to get this angle at the center, which is formed by the same arc, multiply 44 by 2, and you get 88. And then if you have this 88 and you want to get this angle, it means that this angle here is half the angle at the center. So this angle at the center divided by 2. You get this back. So let's just look at another example. This is another example. So we are told that angle ACB is equal to 34 degrees. You find angle AOB. So angle ACB, this angle has been given as what? 34 degrees. So we have to find angle AOB, which is the angle at the center. Angle at the center. So we know that angle at the center is equal to what? From that you know that angle formed by an arc at angle formed by, okay, you don't have enough space, or not right, let me state as you know. Angle formed by an arc, this is the arc what? AB. So angle formed by this arc AB at the center, this angle which we have to find is always equal to what? 2 times the angle formed by this same arc on the circumference. Have you seen? So it means that angle hot from the theorem means that this angle which is formed by the arc at the center, angle OAB, is equal to what? Is 2 times the angle formed by this same arc at the circumference, which is angle what? ACB. Have you seen? So this one is angle ACB is what? It's giving us 34. So 34. So what will be the answer? The answer will be what? Will be 68. 68 what? 68 degrees. So it means that angle AOB is O. Angle AOB is equal to what? It's equal to 68 degrees. So this is the angle at the center, is equal to 68 degrees. And this angle is also equal to what? 34 degrees. I hope you are enjoying, you are following. In fact, if you look at more exercises after looking at the theorems themselves. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As I told you, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.